y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, what up though? My name is Shea, and so today's video is going to be about an Ivy Storehouse unboxing. I had stopped doing the Ivy box for a long time, and then just randomly I kind of started seeing the quality was increasing again. The quality just kind of wasn't there. Like, I would get it and it'll be things that I really couldn't see myself using in the realistic world. So I was kind of like, let me just chill on this. I'll do what I gotta do, and then once the quality seems to get back up there a little bit, I'll go ahead and rejoin. So I noticed that the quality did go up based off of my observations. Like when I go to chapter meetings, I'll see that they have on really nice things and things like that. So I just was like, let me go ahead and get the Ivy box. And so far, just from the outside alone, I can say that it does not fail me from this packaging, because it's switched up. At first they just had the traditional it was like a UPS box, and so they would send that in the Ivy with the Ivy box on the inside, and that would just be that. So they stepped up their game already. Just from looking at the outside, it's this new green packaging, and on the back it just has the shipping information on it. So let's go ahead and open it. So I have not looked in this box at all. As you can see, it's still clearly packaged, and I'm currently undoing it now. Whew, but this is already a lot. So, okay, let me say this now. I'm not sure if this is a complete change up from the package itself with the USPS box, or if it's just for this month, because when I take this one out, it doesn't have the traditional USPS box in it. The very first thing that we see is it says "Oh So Pretty." This card is nice. I like the faint look of the flowers in the background. That's a very nice touch with the pink and green, of course. I think that'll be cute on a t-shirt, actually, like a white t-shirt with this just as the front. So what's in the box, it says there's a 20 pearls makeup bag organizer, which is clutch because I was definitely on Amazon recently looking for a new one. Then we also have a 20 pearls toiletry bag. Okay, so I can just replace the whole bag. And then we also have a Oh So Pretty makeup brush set, and then the Oh So Pretty top. So on the card it says, what makes you feel beautiful? A little black dress, the perfect humidity-free hair day. One of the most immediate ways to feel good on the inside is to look good on the outside. When you look your best, it translates to feeling your best. And feeling your best means presenting your greatest self to the world in all aspects of your personal life and professional life. Researchers have found that outward beauty has a real effect on your physical and mental health. Feeling good about yourself reduces stress, builds confidence, increases mental clarity, and makes you an overall happier person. You then project those positive feelings to the world, moving with confidence and presenting yourself as the cool, self-assured woman you really are inside. According to the American Psychological Society, people equate attractiveness with healthiness. So when they encounter you, they perceive you as a beautiful woman and healthy person. They treat you better, which ultimately affirms your own positive feelings about yourself. It's essentially a cycle. Presenting your best physical self to the world helps you feel like your best mental and emotional self internally. This month's box is about helping you look and feel beautiful inside and out. Use your new makeup bag to keep all of your cosmetics organized and convenient. You can also use it to store your new high quality makeup brush set. With the summer travel season around the corner, the toiletry bag will keep all of your health and beauty essentials stylishly contained. Then slip on your new t-shirt and let the world know how oh so pretty you feel on the inside. Put that cycle in motion, and always remember to celebrate your inner and outer beauty. It's cute. All right, so on to the good stuff. This is the organizer, and this is what it looks like. It feels good, it smells good, and it's oh so pretty, as it says right here on this cover. Yeah, y'all know that's fresh. Like, I just got open smell. That's what it has going on right now for it. So let's go ahead. It has zippers to open, and it's a lot of compartments, as you can see just off the initial open. This is a little toiletry bag, and it pops out quite big, and it's quite dense as well, so I could see myself using this to pack like little essentials throughout the day. I could also even, like, I have another makeup bag, I guess, that's probably about the same size that I'll like put in if I'm going to work or school and I want to do my makeup like once I get there, because sometimes that happens. So I could put like foundation in there, my bronzer, whatever little thing I need for the day, and let that be that. And this also has a few nice components and things like that. It has like a little, I guess, to hang it up if you need to, like a little hanger, hook hanger right here. And it also has another zipper on the front, so there's a lot of space in this bag, and it definitely will get some use out of it. And there's a holder at this part, so nice bag, nice quality. I like that a lot. On the inside of this, there's also more components here, compartments, all that good stuff. This will be where you will put the makeup brushes, which will be super clutch. I was looking for another one of these, but I was looking for something bigger, so I guess I would trade in what I'm using right now and kind of put my newer stuff, or put what I have in my smaller bag in here, and just find something bigger. But there's a lot of spaces in here to like hide stuff and pack stuff, so I can get a lot of the use out of this. And also in here, there's a lot of room for dividers, and there's actually extra spacing if I wanted to, you know, put some extra dividers up in here, so that's good too. I'm really excited to get some use out of this because, you know, I don't have a beauty channel, but I do like, you know, my little beauty products and stuff like that. Like me, I like my little makeup, I like my lip gloss and my lipsticks and stuff like that, so definitely will be getting a lot of the use out of this one, and I'm so glad that I got this one. Something just told me, Shay, get that Ivy box, and I'm definitely happy that I got it. Okay, so the only thing that's left as far as the makeup part goes is the this smells like a paint almost, kind of. And it smells like paint a little bit, but yeah, whatever. But this is the makeup brushes. That gave me a little headache a little bit, cause maybe I shouldn't have smelled it, right? Duh, Shay. But these are the makeup brushes. And I'll just take this one out. This is so cute. It says pretty since 1908 on it, if it will focus. It says pretty since 1908, which is super cute. These brushes are so soft. They're very soft, but they're also very firm, if that makes sense. Like the bristles aren't, you know, tough, but it still has some density to it. So I like this a lot, and I like the tint as well, and I like that it's the black on black. It's just really cute. I can see myself, I don't even know if I would want to use these, to be honest. Like these are, I feel like low-key, this might be something that I just keep, you know, for my future, you know, reference, but at the same time I might not. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different brushes, and 2 of them have like this little contraption on it. I'm not sure if you can really see that well. But it's like a little net type of thing, and it kind of makes it to where the bristles won't do the most, which is appreciated. And this is actually the first like belt type of thing that I've ever had with my brushes, so I'm very excited about that. And if you look really closely, we have this on top as well, which is super cute. So the last thing in this package is a t-shirt. T-shirt. You can never have so many t-shirts, especially as an AKA. Like there's always events, there's always something you're looking for something to wear, something to. And this one is pretty. I didn't even look at it before I opened it, but it's like a baby doll cut, I think. It's a thick quality shirt. It doesn't feel like they cheated me out of anything, and I like the fact that they have, I don't know if this has been a thing because I really didn't pay that much attention, but they have the Ivy Storehouse, you know, name on the tag and your size, which is cute, which is cute. Okay, so I'm content, I'm happy, they redeemed themselves with this box, okay? I would say that my favorite item in the box would have to be, I'm just gonna say the organizer, period, because I definitely needed one, like sooner than later, because mine was just terrible. I still need a bigger one, but for now this one will work. Let me know below what your favorite item was. Also let me know if you didn't like any of the items, you know, what you think. Let me know your opinion. I just want to know. Let's have a conversation, let's talk, let's be friends, okay? So if you have not already done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment down below, you know, even if it's not about that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, any of that good stuff. I'm also looking to do a question and answer video somewhere along the line. It might not come like tomorrow, but I kind of want to just kind of get some feedback and see what people think about, you know, what's going on. Kind of see, you know, pick y'all's brains as y'all pick my brain. You know, what do you want to know more about? Do you want to know more about me and my I don't know, what do you want to know? Like, you want to know my favorite color? Like, it's simple things like that. It could be anything. Just go ahead and let me know down below in the comments what you want to know, and I'll go ahead and get that video out here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.